Welcome to the DecimalChain YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create an NFT or SFT on Decimal blockchain. Well, NFT stands for non-fungible token. This is when there is literally only one unit of that item. For example, Bored Ape famous NFT collection. Each monkey is unique and exclusive. For you to understand, we can compare NFT with a passport, and every passport in the world is unique. SFT stands for semi-fungible token. It is like an NFT that can be minted in different quantities. For example, in a game, we can have items with thousands of copies, right? We can compare SFT with a book. Well, books are printed in large quantities, but they all have the same text, the same story, the same images. So NFTs, we have unique items, and SFTs, the items with many copies. Now that we understand the difference between NFT and SFT, let's understand how to create an NFT on the Decimal blockchain. To get started, in your browser, go to console.decimalchain.com to access your wallet. Here we see our dashboard. It is important to remember that to create NFTs, you need to have some DEL tokens in your wallet. And here in the menu, click on NFT and then click on Create NFT. First, you will need to fill in the information fields about your NFT. Choose a name for your NFT collection. Then enter a name for your NFT. Select a token that you have a balance in your wallet and what reserve value you want to allocate to the creation of your NFT. You also need to write a description explaining about your collection or your NFT. Remember that this description will be published on the blockchain and will be visible for everyone to see. And lastly, enter the number of NFTs you want to create. Click on Next. And in this next step, select the file you want to transform into an NFT. Remember to look here to find out which file formats are acceptable and what maximum size is allowed per file. Select the file and adjust the image dimensions. Remember that you can only edit your image at this stage of NFT creation, but once your NFT is created, it can never be changed again, so do it carefully and pay close attention. The token UR data and URID are automatically populated, so you don't need to worry. This information is provided for experienced users who want to integrate NFT tokens into their algorithms and scripts. Click Next and choose whether you want to add new NFTs to your collection in the future. If you don't check this option, your collection will be restricted to just the image you just uploaded. In the option below, Private Token, you can define whether you want to leave some information private. For example, a public NFT will show all the on-chain data and its image will be public for everyone to see. If you check the Private Token option, your NFT will have hidden data and the image will not be publicly visible on-chain. Choose one of the options, click Next, and review the characteristics of your NFT. Here you can see the fee that will be paid upon creation of the NFT. Click Confirm and review the data, and then again, click Confirm. Finish. Your NFT has been created successfully. Here you can see the transaction hash. By clicking on this link, you can see all the information about your NFT. This hash will be publicly available on the DecimalChain blockchain for all users to access. And all the NFTs you create will appear in your control panel in the NFT section, where you can also see other details, such as transactions, sent or received, and also the Create NFT or Staking NFT option. If you choose to staking, you can use your NFT as a validator to receive rewards, which are paid in DEL tokens. You can also redelegate your NFT to another validator, or you can unbond to get your NFT back to your wallet. An important detail is that if you click on your NFT, you will have access to additional options, such as editing the token reserve, where you can add more tokens in reserve. You can also view the image in original quality or burn your NFT. And remember, if you burn your NFT, your DEL token reserve will return to your wallet. To see more information about NFTs, visit explorer.decimalchain.com. Below, click on Transactions and look for a filter that refers to NFT. You can also access our Wiki page through our official website DecimalChain.com. And in the menu, click on Wiki. Here, search for NFT and that's it. You will have access to a lot of content explaining about NFTs, and if you want to trade your NFT or buy and sell other NFTs, visit the BitTeam website. BitTeam has an incredible marketplace that allows you to trade Decimal blockchain NFTs. Now just choose which one you like best and start collecting. If you still have any questions, write here in the comments. If you want to learn more about blockchains and the future of the internet, follow DecimalChain.